Welcome to qnawire.
Hello students, according to the given question, in the A bit they have given that the sleep quality will be equal to 5 plus 0.5 into x. So they have given that hours of exercise will be equal to 8. That means x is equal to 8. So then the sleep quality will be equal to 5 plus 0.5 into 8. So that is equal to 9. Now in the B bit they have given R is equal to minus 0.67 and the sample N is equal to 30. So here the row represents the population correlation value. So the hypothesis H0 such that rho is equal to 0 and H1 such that rho is not equal to 0. Here degrees of freedom is n minus 2, that is equal to 30 minus 2 is equal to 28. So the R critical value will be 0.361 for alpha is equal to 0.05. Here the mod R value is greater than R critical. So we have to reject the null hypothesis H0. So therefore for the A bit the sleep quality value will be equal to 9 and for the B bit here we have to reject the H0. For the C bit here probability will be is measured using R. So here correlation will shows the relationship between two events. But there is no causation between events. I hope you find the video useful. Thank you.